Good morning, dear student. Today, our topic is types of rocks. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks is that rocks which is made by volcanic eruption. Understand? It is made by fire. Sedimentary rocks is that rock which is made by the sediment of sea, land, river. And metamorphic rock is that rocks which is made by the igneous and sedimentary rocks. When the changes does these types of rocks and form a new type of rocks, it is called metamorphic rocks. Let us come on the first types of rocks. Igneous rocks. In Latin word, igneous means fire. Igneous rocks, Latin in Latin word igneous means fire. The means of igneous is fire. Igneous rocks were formed as the molten magma solidified either inside the earth or the surface of the earth. Dear students, when the under the earth, when volcanic eruption happened, there are lots of fire with mud, soil, water comes on the under the earth or above the earth. Understand? Igneous rocks are the parent rock of other rocks and make up 85% of the earth crust. Igneous rocks are parents rocks. Types of igneous rock. There are two types of igneous rock: intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive means, suppose this is earth surface, and this is also earth surface. Understand? Intrusive means inner part. When the magma, when under the volcanic eruption, suppose in the inner part happen, and lots of fire, mud are solid under the earth. It can't come up upper part of the earth surface, and it takes solid form in the inner part of the body. It is called intrusive magma, intrusive igneous rocks. And extrusive means this magma once come above the earth and solid upper part of the earth is called extrusive igneous rocks. Understand? Intrusive rocks were formed at some depth in earth crust when the molten material magma solidify under the great pressure, resulting in the form of rocks. As you already tell, when the magma solid take, takes form the takes the form of rocks under the earth, under it it's don't come upper part of the earth. Extrusive rock were formed by the pouring out of magma either through volcanics or through cracks or creeps. They cooled rapidly on solidify on earth's surface. They are non-crystalline. Understand? When the magma comes upper part of the body, it is cooled down, cooled rapidly. It cooled rapidly because by the wind it cooled down rapidly, and solid takes a solid form rapidly. Understand? Next part is, igneous rocks are generally very compact and do not wear out easily. Igneous rocks is very hard and don't wear out easily. The ores of metals which are valuable to man are generally associated with igneous rocks. The ores we already discussed in that type of rocks which have found the quality of metals, that are called rocks, that are called ores, and which are valuable for man. Suppose gold, silver, that are follow in the igneous rocks. There are second types of rocks is sedimentary rocks. These form from the sediment accumulated over long period in sea, lakes, river and glaciers. Understand, dear students? Sedimentary means which are the sediment of these types: seas, lakes, rivers and glaciers. They are deposited in distinct layer of strata. They may contain waste product of older rocks, because when the river come from the glacier, it takes too much material, soil, water itself, and it takes solid part of the rock, which are broken down through the action of various agents of denudation such as wind, running water and glacier. Hope you understand well. Thank you.